Samuel and welcome to Embody Harmonics Yoga. In this video, I would like to give you a pranayama or an extended breathing practice. For a lot of us, sitting and simply paying attention to the breath can get really boring, or it's just hard to focus. The mind starts to wander to all kinds of other things going on in our life. I think part of that is because as a society, we are really overstimulated with traffic and ads and electronics, and just the pace of life is really, really fast right now. And it gets our mind caught up in this sort of warp speed pacing of life. So it can be very powerful to give our mind something to focus on while we're engaged in our pranayama practice so that we can start to focus, and that helps us to slow down, which has all kinds of health benefits. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap our fingers, okay? So bring your thumb to your pinky finger, and that just in an even rhythm, tap your thumb to your ring finger, then your middle finger, and your pointer finger. And then we'll reverse. Tap your pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger. Okay? Now let's coordinate the breath. So we'll inhale and tap our fingers, then we'll exhale and tap our fingers. Okay? So inhale, pinky, ring, middle, pointer. Exhale, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. And we will just go on in that sustained fashion. So let your hands rest wherever feels comfortable. You can set them in your lap or on your knees. Doesn't really matter. Maybe don't hold them up in the air because then your arms get tired and we have other things to focus on. Okay. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And let's begin. Inhale, tap your pinky, ring, middle, pointer. Exhale, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Exhale. At the bottom of this exhale, prepare to slow down. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. One more. And now let the pranayama go and just breathe normally. Notice how your normal breath might be shifted from the way it normally feels. And then let your eyes open, coming back into the room. So that's it. So notice that after a few rounds of the pace that I set at first, I invited us to slow down. So what you're going to want to do is find a pace to the tapping and counting that works for you, for your breath and your body. Do your best to make it even on the inhale and even on the exhale so that you're balanced in and out. And then as you practice, as you get more comfortable with this pranayama, do your best to slow it down little by little. The idea, one of the goals, is that we end up stretching our breath out a really long time. because that makes the heart rate slow down and it helps our whole nervous system shift into a rest and digest state of being, which can have really good effects on the hormone system and all kinds of other good effects. And we'll talk about those in another video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear your questions and comments. Please leave them below. If you would like to try one of my live supervised online yoga classes, there is a link and a discount code for a complimentary class in the description below. And if you liked this video, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks again.